The Delaware Cover Crop Network is a group of 4 sites throughout the state where you can look at cover crop species and mixes planted at multiple seeding rates and at different times in the season. You can also follow along online or by visiting the sites to observe the progression of growth over the winter and into the spring. There are 3 demonstration sites at the University of Delaware Farms in Middletown and Georgetown, and at the Delaware State University Farm in Smyrna. The 4th is an on-farm demonstration at Baxter Farms in Georgetown. What's nice about this site is that there's a lot to see here at the home farm. There are 5 areas planted in different cover crop species and mixes. 1 is planted in hairy vetch and radish, which was spread and incorporated after sweet corn harvest. 2 is planted in cereal rye and radish. 3 is a large area that was aerial seeded in annual ryegrass and forage radish right around corn harvest. 4 is crimson clover, and 5 is planned to be planted in hairy vetch but hadn't been planted yet when I visited on November 16th. A couple of observations with the site. One thing that Jay Baxter noticed is that the forage or tillage radish planted in field 1 after sweet corn was greener than the radish in field 3, which followed field corn. We wondered if there was more residual nitrogen in field 1, so we'd be interested to watch how those 2 sites grow compared to each other, especially since the sweet corn site also has hairy vetch in the mix. Also in field 1, it looked like there were areas where the cover crop took really well and some areas where it didn't establish very well. So that's one thing that I'd like to keep my eye on and ask for more information about to see if Jay knows why that might be the case. So that's an introduction to and a few initial observations from the site at Baxter Farms on Zoar Road in Georgetown. I'm Jen Nelson with the Delaware Soil Health Partnership, and I hope you'll check back with us to see how it's going here. Feel free to ask any questions and be sure to leave any comments or suggestions on how we can make these sites more useful for you.